And here we go with part 2 of our Miami Fridays at Beercan Island with Alfred, Derek, Andy, Ogita, and Cito en la casa, baby. Well, today is a special day because we are celebrating Andy's birthday from South Carolina, but we're doing it here in Miami at Beercan Island, aka Raccoon Island. And he got a real big surprise because not in his wildest dreams he thought he was gonna find a boat here in Miami. And it was brought down by Derek and it got launched off at Black Point Marina, and you guys could watch that video on Alfred's channel. And the plan for today is to meet up with them at Beercan Island to have sausage time made by Derek, South Carolina style. And while we were there, we got the great pleasure to meet Seakeepers Society. They are an organization that help to keep the Miami waters and islands clean.
They're out here for a different type of event, of debate and stuff, but in the meantime, on their downtime, they came and did this. How awesome is that?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do in the near future, guys, you guys wondering, we just met them.
What's your name again?
Lillian.
Lillian from
Tony.
Seakeepers. Come to a cleanup.
Come to a cleanup.
So in Miami, seakeepers.org.
There you go. We're gonna join forces with them, and we're gonna invite you guys to come with us. We're gonna organize something with them, and we're gonna invite everybody on the place that we enjoy so much. Come help keep it clean. How about that, guys?
And for those people that missed part 1, because I did upload it on Monday, and you want to watch the full video, you can find the link on the description below. And yeah, for those people that don't know, now you know how a Friday looks in Miami. Look at that, the later it gets, the better it gets, right? More people, more fun in the sun. Look at that. Hey. Yep, like I said, the later it gets, the better it gets. That's the Miami life. So what do you guys think about our Fridays here in Miami, guys? Do you guys like our Fridays? Awesome, right? Look at that. Awesome. Yeah, looks like a weekend on a Friday. Yeah. Look. Oh, that was awesome. So how does he play dead?
Dead dog.
Well, how does she? As a she. How does she play dead? Oh, she's playing dead right there. Oh yeah, she's dead. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I noticed it with the video you did.
You know how a lot of people say that when you go on a boat, there's a couple things you need for safety reasons. Obviously, a life vest, flares. Some need a whistle.
That's amazing.
And that basically covers most part of it. However, you always need one of these. Una cafetera cubana for coffee. That's it.
On my boat, it was
thumbs up on that. Put it in the comments. Right, Fresco?
Right.
He don't know what I said.
And while we were walking back to the boat, we met this amazing guy with an amazing story.
Okay. If you want to know,
Okay.
if you meet a woman,
Okay.
and you want to know whether it's a perfect fit, put her on a boat for a month.
Church.
And what happened?
Put her on a boat for a month. So I can tell you that I'm the luckiest man. Nothing but joy. Zero arguments.
Well, living the life.
Living the life.
I got a
Now,
question for you. How many days did it take you to get from Boston to Miami?
a month and 10 days.
Wow,
And you had a great time.
We gotta meet this lady now. What's her name? hey! You think I'm playing? Hey, come on.
Listen.
We can't.
Nothing but joy and pleasure. Now, if you are a boater,
Okay.
not everybody likes boats.
No.
But you meet somebody. Put your wife. I don't know if you're married or not.
Yeah.
Are you married?
Married 28 years.
28 years.
And I've been on the boat all my life. And
That's why she's happy.
She's going with the.
He's going more than a month.
Is that where you were going? Is that where you were?
He's gone for 28 years.
We left. I left. I didn't know. You know, you don't know. This is the first time I'm doing this trip.
Yeah.
So when you don't know how far, so you cannot you cannot grasp the distance. In kilometer, it's 2,500 kilometers.
That's far.
2,500 kilometers.
And you had a blast.
Nothing but I will do it all over again.
You love it. Well, welcome to Miami.
We gotta meet her.
Now,
we gotta meet her.
Now
though.
hear me.
You think she's real?
Now.
AI.
It's real. It's not AI. It's not AI.
What do you think?
I left Boston. Have you ever been there?
Yeah, I have.
Boston is freezing over there right now.
Quincy?
Yes, sir.
Quincy. I left Quincy, Boston Harbor, all the way to Cape Cod Canal.
Okay.
So you started taking off layers of clothes as you got to the south. I got you.
Now, I didn't know, because I never took trips like this, how much gas?
Oh, yeah.
How much gas before you refuel?
Yeah.
So I didn't know whether I can do 9 hours a day,
You figured it
5
out.
hours a day. I kept a diary.
Where are we at right now?
And I wrote how many hours I did, how much gas was left to plan the next day.
Correct.
Halfway down,
Yes, sir.
I know that I can do 10 hours every day without stop. Now, at the beginning, the stops were because I didn't want to take
Yeah, you didn't know. You're walking in the glass house. Got you.
So from Boston, you know the Cape Cod Canal,
I'm not familiar with it, but I heard.
made it all the way to the Cape Cod Canal,
Okay.
place called Sandwich.
Did you stop? Did you enjoy it?
Pull into the marina, going to the restaurant there, the best fish ever.
Because it's fresh.
The best fish ever.
How far north, how far south you're going to?
See, you can't take
Key West?
for content like this.
Listen, Cape Cod Canal, the following day, we slept there.
Yeah.
The following day, I'm going through the Cape Cod Canal in and out. This is just the beginning of the trip. Man-made canal.
And you're loving it.
Beautiful view. Beautiful.
So now that you educated us a little bit on that, can I educate you a little bit on where you're at? Do you know where you're at?
They told
Do you know the name
What
of
made
this?
you come here?
Raccoon
What made you
Island.
come here?
Raccoon Island.
What made you come here?
Paradise, man.
Now, who?
Did you meet the raccoon?
What?
Yeah.
Good.
Paradise here.
Abe Montanelli, este es Fresco Channel.
Hey.
Nosotros somos el primo de
How are you?
Waterfront Village.
There you go.
Se llama este
Sí,
coño, ¿cómo anda? Mucho gusto.
Aquí estamos. Oye, vete para allá, vamos a estar jodiendo ahí. Que están aquí jodiendo un poco.
Allá vamos a ir, seguro.
Este chamaco vino de
Massachusetts.
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 Boston. En el bote ese.
En un 33 pies.
YouTube channel that you can say.
El tipo guapo.
No, I don't.
Well, we met an amazing guy with an amazing story. He's been traveling down from Boston for over a month with his wife, and he had lots of great stories to share with us on his way down. And we got the opportunity to share with you guys on video. It's one of those coincidences at the right place at the right time, meeting the right people. He had many great boating stories from his trip down south, and we spoke with him over 20 minutes. And just in case if you're watching this video, it was a great pleasure meeting you and getting to know you. But now we're gonna walk back to camp because we have two special moments coming up.
This is a special moment here.
Yeah, listen, guys. I know this is in Spanish, but use ChatGPT or whatever you can to translate this beautiful poem that birthed inside of Olguita's heart about Fresco when Fresco was laying down like a carcass on the couch.
Unbelievable. Sounds unbelievable.
No,
You see what I mean?
no, wait, no, but that's the truth. You were laying down. She said, "Tu él estaba laying down."
that's
He
the
was
truth.
laying down. That's the truth.
I had it in my head and I
It
was
was-
like, you know what?
I-
I can't write it down.
I'm being
because
descriptive.
If I get up, I forget it.
Okay.
So I tested it.
All right, it's in Spanish, guys. Use the translator.
Papi, don't worry. This is a poem.
Wait, hold on.
A porn or poem?
Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Where you got your mind at?
I don't know.
Poema.
Poema. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Let's see. I love this.
Mira, para ti, mi amor.
Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, let me get this.
right.
Get there. There you go. No, díselo.
Sí. El amor que un día busqué, ese que nunca llegó, es el que me ilusionó, con mi corazón se fue. Esperando yo quedé sin saber lo que esperaba, pero Dios que me miraba me envió algo mejor. el hombre que con su amor hizo que me enamorara.
Yo.
¡Yo!
Me partió el corazón.
¡Coño! ChatGPT está en candela, caballero.
Yo.
No, eso salió de ti.
La inspiración
Olguita.
del corazón, del corazón.
Hey,
Ese salió del caracol.
bro, sign out. You can't top that.
No, I have to stop the video here.
Yeah.
Nah, keep going.
No, you can't stop it. Bro, you gotta stop it here, bro. Bro, hit that lens, do something. Do the outro.
See if it goes back to normal.
Look, we're celebrating Alfred's birthday. He's 85.
I'm not 58, bro. That's not me.
No, you're 85.
Makes me feel like I've done something.
Uh-oh, we're celebrating Andy's birthday the Miami Island way.
Come on, Andy.
Look at that.
Say a wish.
Andy already converted to Miami. He's playing Spanish music.
Hold on.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andy. Happy birthday to you.
What do you like to do? Blow or suck?
I don't want to spill all over the cake.
Oh, okay.
Bro, you ever had a birthday on a Raccoon Island?
Oh,
Holy crap.
I've never had one in Miami.
Oh, that's true.
That's the first cake I've ever seen blow the candles.
Like
without-
this?
Yeah. Hey, listen, there's no mucus, no spit, nothing.
That was so politically correct. Like, he did the carnival wave.
I don't know, but that looks fire, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, guys. Look at that thing. Oh my
I'm trying to get the cookie out for him. Hold on.
Yo, I'm gonna go put on a fucking shirt.
One more year closer to 60.
Look at that. Celebrating.
I'll have the cookie if you give that cookie.
Okay. Just the cookie or
Look at that.
Cookie in. Okay. Very good.
Happy birthday. The raccoons made it.
Thank you.
Oh, the raccoons made a cake.
You ever heard of Keebler Elf?
Yeah.
That's a raccoon bakery in the bag.
Raccoon Bakery. First time I see Alfred so quiet. Are you okay?
Bro, look at this. Look at this.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna hit that right now.
He's about to get chocolate
I'm
wasted.
trying to figure out where my sugar levels are gonna be in 30 minutes. Relax.
Oh, okay. So he's debating.
I'm debating 100%.
Hey, check this out. Look at this. Can anybody get that?
By the way, he's gonna get chocolate wasted.
No.
You gotta dance before you get a piece of cake.
Okay, you're not gonna get cake? Why?
Oh, that's good. Thank you, guys.
What happened?
The dog bit.
The dog bitch?
The dog bit.
Hey, get the dog, get the doggy dance. You know how to dance?
Nope.
Ogito, you know how to dance?
No.
Hey.
Look at this. Look at this right
She's
here.
burning calories and you're eating them, that's how it works?
Yes.
How's it taste?
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's pretty cool. A birthday on an island.
Life is good, bro.
Life is good. And you get a nice little sunset. Ogita's still dancing, so's the dog.
I'm not eating cake.
Oh, guys, I gotta stop the camera. I'm gonna eat right now. Peace and chicken grease. Fresco, say bye.
Bye-bye.
I get all that. For marketing. I've worked in the corporate world, and I don't flex on it. I'm already like exhausted with the shit. I've taken brick-and-mortar companies, brand images for
Oh, it looks awesome right here. So yeah, they're gonna stay here, spend the night. First time in Miami with his own boat. Look at that. They actually hauled that from South Carolina. Can you believe that? That's amazing, guys. So he's gonna stay here at Beercan. Oh, he's jamming. Look at that. He's playing. He's 100% American. He's playing Spanish music. Yeah, the Miami got him. The Miami life got him.
And if you guys want to check out Andy's and Derek's YouTube channel, it's going to be in the link on the description below. And like you saw in part 1 and part 2, we had a great Friday here at Beercan Island celebrating Andy's birthday. But The surprise wasn't the birthday, it was the boat being trailered down here by Derek. And now he's gonna have the chance to spend the night here at beercan Island on his own boat.
Get that in the pictures and the doggies. So we're here hanging out with Alfred and Derek and Andy. Chilling, boy. At beercan. Beercan, we can do can, yeah. Raccoon Island.
And well, you already know that everybody likes sausage time. But now is the time that nobody likes it. That is the time that you have to pick up and we have to go home. But it's okay today because we had a great time. And for those people that didn't understand Olguita's poem that she dedicated to me because it is in Spanish, I'm gonna try to do AI to translate it in English for my English speaking audience. But it might not rhyme as good as it did in Spanish.
So we adding here, look at that thing, boy, beautiful. Beautiful Miami skies, baby. Oh, you gotta pick up the anchor, that's it, we out.
I'll do it. Look, I'll get this photo shoot.
Oh my gosh, how pretty. So, awesome hangout time here at beercan. Hey, look!
And well, Andy's gonna take Alfred and Derek back to the ramp, but he's coming back and gonna join the rest of the boaters here to spend the night at beercan. And yep, we're leaving, but their weekend is just starting. And for the new subscribers that haven't seen any videos on beercan Island, aka Raccoon Island, I'm gonna leave a link on this video's description below. And by the way, I would like to say thank you for those new subscribers that became members to the channel. Thank you so much for that and for your support. And also remember, you can get your Sandbar Life and Fresco Channel merchandise at www.frescochannel.com before the summer gets here. And also I want to say thank you for those people that send me video clips of them wearing merchandise and their sandbar around their area. Thank you so much. Remember, you can do that by DMing me at Instagram or send it to me via email, frescochannelyt@gmail.com. And by the way, also let me know what you guys think about Olguita's poem that she dedicated to me.